Syntax tree is one of the intermediate representations in compiler design. Now let us discuss how syntax-directed definition can be used to produce syntax tree for assignment statement. For the explanation, we are considering two functions. One is make node, another one is make leaf. Make node create a node like this. This node has three parts. First part hold operator, second and third hold operands. Here E gives E1 plus E2. When we use this production, we have to create a node plus having two operands E1 and E2. MakeLeaf is a function which creates a leaf node. E gives ID and this part hold the pointer to the symbol table. These operands can be identified like x equal to a plus b or literals x equal to 5. For producing this assignment statement, let us consider this grammar. For explanation, we are assuming operators assignment, plus, minus, star, division, unary minus and bracket. S gives ID equal to expression. For example, x equal to a plus b. E can be e plus t, E can be e minus t or t. T can be t star f, T gives t division f, T gives f. F can be unary minus f, F can be G, G can be expression, G can be ID or G can be num. After constructing these productions, we have to find suitable semantic actions. When S gives ID equal to E occurs in the parse tree, we have to perform this action. This action means we have to create a node. We have to create a node which is having the operator assignment, and this one node hold the value ID and the second this part hold the value expression. That is s.nptr, this pointer hold the address of this node having equal to as the operator, make leaf ID as first operand and e.nptr as second operand. E gives E plus D. We have to create a node plus pointing to the first operand E pointer and second operand T pointer. Like that, E gives E minus T. We have to create a node with this argument. E gives T means there is no need to create new node. E pointer pointing to the same node as T.nptr. T gives T star F. For star, we have to create a node like this, and this star has two operands, one holding t1.nptr and another holding f.nptr. This one is t1, this one is f. This is equivalent to our representation. This one is star, this one pointing to T and this one pointing to F. This whole is created by make node function. T gives T division F, creates a node for division. T gives F means T pointer is equal to F pointer. Here F equal to unary minus F. Whatever be the value of F, that is assigned to F pointer. F gives G. G gives expression. What is the pointer of E? That is assigned to G. G gives ID. Then we have to create a leaf node having two fields. One is ID and another one is a pointer to the symbol table. G gives num. We have to create a leaf node and num dot value that is obtained from the lexical analyzer. And using this SDD, syntax directed definition, we can create syntax tree for assignment statements. Now for the explanation, let us consider this example x equal to a star b plus c. Here the first thing is we have to construct the parse tree by taking the predictions from this SDD. For that, S gives ID equal to expression. for getting A star B plus C, we are taking E gives E plus T. Then E can be T, T can be T star F, T gives F, F gives G and ID. So we got the pass tree. Now in SDD, we have to traverse the pass tree, and when we obtain corresponding prediction, we have to perform semantic action. Here we have started traversing from parent, and here we got G gives ID. Then what we have to do? We have to perform semantic action. The semantic action here is create a leaf, make leaf num, make leaf id dot place. Make leaf, it has created a node having id and id dot place is A, and g dot nptr pointing to this node. G dot nptr pointing to this node. If the address of this node is 100, now g dot nptr hold 100. Then we continue traversing, and when we reach here, what action we want to perform? This F gives T has to F gives G. F gives G means F pointer needs to hold the value of G pointer. That means this F also needs to point to this node. F also pointing to this node. Now continuing traversing, we got a reduction T gives F. When T gives F happens, T pointer hold F dot nptr. T also pointing to this node. Continuing this traversing, we have encountered again G gives ID. Then the semantic action make leaf has to be done. That is, we have created a node for B. Then F gives B. F gives B means the F also pointing to the node. Now we have reached here that the reduction happened is T star F. When T gives T star F happened, we have to create a node. We have created this node having three attributes. One is star. This operator is star. This first operand is A. That is T1. T1 dot nptr, and the second operand is F dot nptr. So we got first one pointing to A and second one pointing to B. Continuing, E gives T means E dot nptr is equal to T dot nptr. Now again G gives ID means we have created a node for C. F pointing to same node. T gives F, T pointing to this node C, and here E gives E plus T happens. E gives E plus T happens, then we have to create a node for plus. We have created a node for plus, and the first operand is A star B, that means pointing to this node. Another operand is C, that is pointing to this node. And finally, we have traversed till here, and S gives ID E. We have to create a node. We have created a node. First operand is assignment. Second one is make leaf ID to place. So we have created a node here, and the next operand is E dot nptr. Consider another example, A equal to B star minus C plus B star minus C. First we have to construct the pass tree using this prediction. Here minus C having higher precedence than star. So minus C, before performing this star, minus C has to be evaluated. We start traversing from here. Now we have got G gives ID, then corresponding semantic action has performed and we got a node. And F gives G means that pointing to same node. Continuing this traversing, here we got G gives ID, a new node is created for C. And when we reached here, F gives minus F, we have to create a node for unary minus. One operand is C. Continuing traversing, when we reached here, this T gives T star F. We have created a node star. One operand is B, another operand is minus C. And here we got another node. G gives ID. We have created a node for B. And here we have created a node for C. And here F gives minus F. We have created a node for minus C. That is minus operator is unary minus and operand is C. And here we have done T gives T star F, created a node for star. One operand is B, another operand is minus C. Here we have to create a node plus one operand is B star C, another operand is B star C. And at this parent node we have to create a node assignment. One is ID A, another one is this plus operand node for this plus.